Next topic is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction in which a compound splits up into smaller substances is known as decomposition reaction. It is just opposite of combination reaction. In combination reaction, smaller substances combine and form a one big substance. Decomposition reaction may be carried out by applying heat, light or electricity. So decomposition reactions are of three types: thermal decomposition, electrolytic decomposition and photolytic decomposition. So first is thermal decomposition reaction. As it is clear by its name, thermal. Thermal means heat. It is carried out in the presence of heat. That's why this is known as thermal decomposition reaction. See here, example of thermal decomposition reaction: copper sulfate pentahydrated. Pentahydrated means in which 5 water of crystallization is present. When it decomposes in the presence of heat, it produces copper sulfate, which is white in color. So copper sulfate pentahydrated decomposes to white compound in the presence of heat due to loss of water of crystallization. There are 5 water of crystallization is present here. On heating, it changes into vapor or it loses. That's why it converted into CuSO4 anhydrous. So one example is here. Now see a second example. In this example, what we are doing? We are heating ferrous sulfate, FeSO4, which on heating gives ferric oxide, Fe2O3, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide gases. See here, in lab 2 types of ferrous sulfate salt are present. Maybe simple ferrous sulfate anhydrous, or one is heptahydrated 7H2O. 7H2O is green in color. FeSO4 7H2O means ferrous sulfate heptahydrated crystals are green in color, which on heating gives FeSO4, which is white in color, and FeSO4 converted into Fe2O3, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Again I am repeating, ferrous sulfate presents in 2 forms, maybe in heptahydrated form or maybe simpler FeSO4 form. FeSO4 7H2O, it is green in color, which on heating firstly give FeSO4, then FeSO4 converted into Fe2O3, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So this is another example of thermal decomposition. FeSO4 green in color and Fe2O3 is brown in color. So FeSO4 heptahydrated firstly converted into anhydrous FeSO4, which is white in color, then anhydrous FeSO4 converted into Fe2O3, which is brown in color, and ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Now next example of thermal decomposition reaction is lead nitrate. Lead nitrate, this is white in color. When we decompose it in the presence of heat, this is the symbol of heat, triangle. This is the symbol of heat. When lead nitrate decomposes, it produces lead oxide. Lead oxide is yellow in color, and nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Nitrogen dioxide gives brown fumes. You have to keep in your mind these three examples. This is so important according to CBSE exam. First is decomposition of lead nitrate, second is decomposition of ferrous sulfate, and third one is decomposition of copper sulfate pentahydrated. Now some use of decomposition reaction. You all very much aware about facilities present in four-wheelers, just like airbags. In airbag, one compound is present, that is sodium azide, which at the time of accident rapid decomposed and it gives nitrogen gas, causes the bag to inflate. See here, this airbag contain sodium azide, which on decomposition give nitrogen gas, and because of nitrogen gas the bag is inflated.